Hey guys, back out here at Woods Lake again, not too far from my house. Got the Omega. Well, just got my first target, and kind of looks like an old canteen, maybe, of some sort. You can see that. And there's like, it's got some coloring and stuff on it. Maybe an old, it's thin. So that's why I was thinking maybe a canteen. It's pretty cool. Got another find here, guys. Just a newer padlock. Alright guys, got another target here. Looks like maybe an old clip of some sort, suspender clip or something. Can't really tell. Alright everybody, got another target here. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a key. It says, let me see what it says here. North Carolina, made in Rocky Mountain. Let's see if I can get it to focus in here. Yeah. I think the sun's going in and out of the leaves. It's having a hard time focusing. There it goes. It's a pretty cool key though. Sweet. Hey guys, it's been maybe a minute and a half since I found that key, and I'm right here by this tree, and I found that key right there by that little tree. Come walking right here. I don't know if you see it, but there's another key. This one's laying around on top of the ground. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, this one looks a little more newer, but it's pretty cool. Hey guys, found a new target here. Dog tag. Hey guys, got this tag here. Looks like it says FR Brewster or ER Brewster. And I kind of rubbed the head there a little bit and made it come off, so I don't want to rub it anymore, but I'm not sure what it is. It's pretty cool though. Alright guys, got my first coin of the day here, and it is a nickel. It is just a modern 2008 nickel. Alright guys, got a pretty good find here. It's been about a half hour or so. This is a really iffy signal too. And there was like trash all beside of it. You can see though, it's a wheatie. Alright, first wheatie of the day. See if I can get a date here for you. I don't wanna. Yeah. There we go. I think I can see it now. Looks like looks like 1950. I'll clean it up when I get home. Show you. Cool. First wheatie. Hey guys. Got a button here. Looks like it says Two-Hearted Ale, maybe? Something like that. Not sure what this is. Looks like Two-Hearted. That's cool though. Alright guys, got a pretty cool find here. Not sure what it is. On the back it says, drop in any mailbox, return postage guarantee, Amico. Let's do a little research on that. Just found that, and then yeah, I got a little coin spill right here. I just dug 2 pennies out of that hole, and I'm still getting signals all over right here, so I'll dig it up and see what I can get. Alright guys, I'm at a new location here. I'm at this old farmhouse here, and Got my first signal. Just a penny. Got a little helper here. He's helping me find. Hopefully help me find some silver. Oh boy. Hey guys, got my next target here. Not sure what that is, but find a lot more relics here than coins. Everything that's here is pretty deep. About a month or two ago, right before I got this camera, actually, I dug 2 walking liberties out there next to the road, and then I dug a couple standing liberties right here. So there's some coins here. Just gotta find them. Is there any silver in there, buddy? Oh, nope, guess not. On to the next, I guess. Looks like I got a fuse or something here. Not sure what that is. Looks like maybe one of those old-time fuse. Looks like I got a shell here. Shotgun shell, rifle shell or something. Got a 1961 penny here, guys. Just dug a 1966 dime next to it, so hopefully that's a good sign. Hopefully I'm close to some silver. Alright guys, here's a pretty crazy find. Can you guess what that is? Or was? Well, that used to be a penny. That's all I could find of it. Wow. Definitely the worst one I've ever found. Alright guys, and I've been digging pennies left and right from the 60s. Just got this nickel here too, 1964. So this house is from the 1880s. So I mean, there's tons of history here, but all the coins I've been finding have been from the 60s. So hopefully I can find a silver. Alright guys, looks like we got another nickel here. Haven't seen the date yet, but it's a 1985, fairly new nickel. Sweet. It's a pretty cool find, guys. Some buckshot or something, or that thing was a good ways down there as well. It's pretty cool though. Got a nickel. 1967. Hey guys, got me a shotgun shell here. It's pretty deep too. This thing was, yeah, that thing was the length of the blade down, so pretty cool though. Hey guys, got another bullet shell here. Looks to be like maybe a little 22 or something.